If you are planning a trip to Tokyo Disney with kids, this hotel might just save you hundreds of dollars, and honestly, I can't believe more families aren't talking about it. Because hidden just minutes from the parks is a luxury hotel that gives you oversized family rooms, magical surprises for the kids, indoor and outdoor pools, direct airport access, and one little feature that completely changed the way we experience Tokyo Disney. And the craziest part, it costs significantly less than many of the Disney branded hotels. But is this one of the travel industry's best kept secrets, or is there a catch? Today we are checking into the Hilton Tokyo Bay to find out. Now, if you're anything like us, you probably discovered that finding luxury hotel rooms in Japan for a family isn't easy. Most rooms are compact, and once you add children into the mix, things can get complicated very quickly. Think of those large suitcases, opening them up, and don't forget space for the Mickey ears and sorting all of that out. You need space in the room.
Oh my gosh! Beautiful.
Hilton Tokyo Bay solved that problem in a way that honestly surprised us. And wait till you see the room. Because these aren't just bigger rooms, they are designed specifically for families. The Happy Family Magic Room can sleep up to 6 guests, which is incredibly rare around Tokyo. But what really makes them special isn't the size, it's the magic. The moment you walk inside, it feels like stepping into an enchanted storybook. Bright skies stretch across the ceiling, colorful forests surround the walls, and playful animal friends are hidden throughout the room. And that's where things get really fun. Because the room itself contains 3 hidden secrets that kids are challenged to discover after check-in. No spoilers just yet. We'll show you those a little later.
I like it.
It's like having a tiny Disney attraction right inside your own room. And for parents traveling with little ones, Hilton has thought of almost everything. Children's pajamas, tiny slippers, toothbrushes, baby cribs, bed guards, even the little details that are easy to forget when you're packing for Japan. Which meant we could pack lighter and save our luggage space for something much more important: Disney merchandise. After dropping off our bags, we couldn't wait to test one of the biggest advantages of staying here. And honestly, I don't think enough people are talking about it. Just a couple of minutes, we were walking towards a special entrance near Fantasy Springs. No crowded trains, no complicated transfers, just an incredibly easy start to our Disney day. And if walking isn't your thing, the hotel also runs complimentary shuttle buses to both Tokyo Disneyland and DisneySea. Back at the hotel, the check-in process was quick, smooth, and informative. Exactly what you want after a long journey. Hungry from traveling, we headed to the lobby restaurant for our first meal. Now, this was probably the only area where the experience didn't quite match the rest of the hotel. Ordering was done through a digital screen, and while the presentation of the food looked beautiful, the flavors unfortunately didn't live up to our expectations. Not a deal breaker by any means, but something worth knowing before you arrive. The following morning, we hopped on board the shuttle bus and spent an incredible day exploring Tokyo Disneyland. And if you are planning your own trip, we've created a complete guide showing you how to experience all the best attractions in a single day. You'll find that linked at the end of this video, so check it out. It has details of how to jump on board some of the essential rides and how to get a fast pass for free. So don't forget to check out that video. After a busy day in the parks, we decided to slow things down and enjoy everything the hotel itself had to offer. And honestly, this is where Hilton Tokyo Bay really shines. Instead of rushing off to rope down, we slept in, wandered down for breakfast only 20 minutes before the breakfast was scheduled to close. Most guests were already inside the parks, which meant the atmosphere was calm and relaxed. We started in the children's section, making sure the girls were happy before exploring the rest of the buffet. And while there were plenty of options to choose from, I couldn't resist ordering a freshly made spicy omelette just to bring home those nice, rich flavors. One helpful tip to know: because Hilton Bay has an incredible 828 rooms, a secondary breakfast area opens during busy periods. So if you find one dining room crowded, don't panic.
Thank you, Chef.
There are plenty of seats available. Guests with Hilton Gold status and certain room categories were even treated to a special red bean dessert. Although, to be completely honest, we were far too distracted by the soft serve ice cream. No regrets. After breakfast, we wandered through the beautiful lobby, discovered one of those hidden gems families will appreciate, the children's play area. Complete with interactive games, screens and puzzles, it provided the perfect little break for our girls while we relaxed nearby. Just around the corner, we found one of the most valuable resources in the entire hotel, the concierge desk. The team helped us organize our airport limousine transfer to Haneda Airport and answered every question we had throughout our stay. Thank you to this wonderful team. Their local knowledge was fantastic and made traveling stress-free. As we explored further, we discovered a section of shops throughout the hotel. Now I really wanted this beautifully hand-painted overcoat. Unfortunately, according to the family committee, it was a little too tight. Fair enough, you can't win at everything. But our favorite store by far was the Disney Fantasy Shop. And this place is dangerous. Everything is beautifully themed, thoughtfully packaged for travelers, and surprisingly well priced. It's actually quite common for visitors to buy an extra suitcase just to take home all their Disney treasures. Would you do it? Let me know in the comments. If you are finding this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It costs nothing, but it really helps support the channel and allows us to keep creating family travel guides like this. Thank you for your support. Speaking of Disney merchandise, what would you take home from this store? I'd love to hear your favorites in the comments. Another feature we absolutely loved was the Lawson's convenience store inside the hotel. It became a go-to lunch spot. And one thing many visitors don't realize is that Lawson staff can heat your meals for you right here in the store. Simple, affordable, and full of flavors. Just perfect after long days in the Disney parks. Now before we continue, let's see if our luck improves at these claw machines. Wish us luck!
Good job. Yes, come on, girl, please. Oh.
For those trying to balance holiday treats with fitness goals, the hotel gym is seriously impressive. I didn't quite have enough energy for a workout after all those park steps, but the facilities were outstanding. There is a huge fitness center, an indoor swimming pool, dedicated yoga room, squash courts, and even a spa. Honestly, this has to be one of the best hotel fitness center facilities I've ever seen anywhere in Tokyo. Outside, the recently renovated pool area offers a completely different atmosphere. Connected to one of the hotel's restaurants, it provides the perfect place to unwind cool off, and simply enjoy being on vacation. Before heading back to the parks, we made good use of the 24-hour laundry facilities, and they were really useful. It's one of those small conveniences that make such a big difference, especially for families. Fresh clothes, less luggage, and one less thing to worry about. Soon enough, we were ready for another magical day at Tokyo DisneySea. And wow! Is DisneySea the greatest theme park in the world? Many fans certainly think so, and surprisingly, there are still plenty of Disney lovers who've never heard of it. Let's change that, because more people deserve to experience the magic of this incredible park. As our trip came to an end, the concierge team once again went above and beyond. They organized the airport limousine bus transfer and even coordinated the latest available departure to perfectly match our late checkout. But perhaps our favorite memory happened right before we left. Throughout our stay, we noticed many families asking about pram rentals to avoid the waiting line at Disney. Since we no longer needed our new travel stroller, which we only used at one of the Disney parks, we decided to donate it to the concierge team so another family could use it. Hopefully, it helps create a little extra magic for someone else's holiday. So what's the final verdict? If you are visiting Tokyo Disney Resorts, Hilton Tokyo Bay is an easy recommendation for comfortable luxury accommodation. You get spacious rooms, fantastic facilities, convenient transport, family-friendly amenities, and a touch of magic, all while saving money compared with many Disney branded hotels. And honestly, I'd rather spend those savings on premier access, themed snacks, and a few extra souvenirs. If you love Japan and family travel, consider subscribing so we can help you plan your next adventure. If you are wondering whether DisneySea really deserves its reputation as the best Disney park in the world, click here to watch our full review. We'll see you over there.